In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually add one contact to Flodesk. If you have a new subscriber or contact that you want to add to your email list individually, you don't need to upload an entire contact list. Flodesk gives you an option to add a single contact directly from your account, which can be useful when you only need to add one person at a time. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Audience. After opening Audience, you'll see several options for managing your subscribers. From these options, select All Subscribers. This will take you to the area where you can view the subscribers currently in your Flodesk account. Once you're in the All Subscribers section, look toward the top right corner for the black Add Subscriber button. Click on Add Subscriber to open the available options. A drop-down menu will appear with different ways to add subscribers. Since we're adding only one person, choose the option to add an individual. Be careful not to choose Upload CSV because that option is intended for importing a larger subscriber list. After selecting Add an Individual, you'll see a form where you can enter the contact's information. Enter the available email address, first name, and last name in the appropriate fields. You can also assign the contact to a segment if you already have segments set up in your Flodesk account. This can help keep your subscribers organized according to the groups you've created. Once you've entered the required information and selected the appropriate segment if needed, click Save. Flodesk will then process the information, and after a brief moment, the page should refresh. You'll be able to see the new subscriber listed in your Flodesk account, confirming that the contact was added successfully. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Flodesk may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. You might see slightly different menus, labels, or layouts, but the main process remains the same. Open Audience, select All Subscribers, choose Add Subscriber, and then select Add an Individual. So, to recap, open Flodesk, go to Audience, choose All Subscribers, click Add Subscriber, select Add an Individual, enter the contact information, and click Save. And that's how you can manually add one contact to your Flodesk account.